Well, how you doing, gardeners? Today's topic, real fast, it's going to be a short video. I just want to talk about when is the right time to hill potatoes. And personally, myself, I like this time the best. I guess if you had bigger equipment, you could allow it to sit a little bit longer. And you'd probably start off with a bigger hill to begin with. But the advantages of hilling a potato comes down to you getting in here and covering all of the plant. You can turn that around, and then these joints right here, you'll get additional potatoes coming out of the plant. So that's the purpose behind hilling a potato, is actually increase yields. That's the main reason, that's the reason you want to go and hill potatoes. The second reason I think we have an advantage of, and that's from weed control. We can get in here once we cover the potatoes up. They don't have anything exposed, any surface area exposed. What's nice about it is now I can go ahead and put down some herbicides that can go ahead and protect these potatoes throughout the season. Less weeds mean less bug pressure, and also it means your fertilizer is just fertilizing the potatoes. It's not fertilizing weeds and stuff like that. So I do a small weed prevention as soon as I plant the potatoes. I do something small there, but when I go to disturb the ground, then I need to think about, well, there is no protection now because it's all been thrown. So the areas I've exposed is now vulnerable to weeds. And believe me, especially the experience I had last year is my goodness, the weeds just took over. I could hardly dig the potatoes. So that's what my game plan is this year, is to be very conscious over when do I spray, when do I hill, and that type of thing. I got caught out with a 4-inch rain on this other batch of potatoes, and it was really a struggle to get everything covered up so I could spray properly. But I did get it done. I had to walk and do it and that type of thing. Do what you can when you can to try to catch the potatoes while they're young, get them totally covered up, and then come back and hit them with some spray. So hit the ground with some herbicide to prevent some weeds from coming up. So that's my recommendation. Looks like to me I already on some Colorado potato beetle here, and so I'm going to have to get out here also and deal with the beetles. So they're there. There's the beetle right there. So dirty boogers, they're always ready to pounce. So let me keep going here and get this job done, and I can get out here and do some herbicide spray. And I think it'd be good if I got in here with some insecticide and spray for the bugs as well. So they're starting to attack it. This is not the only spot that they're doing it. Another pass through here on these. I'm just not getting, this ground is so hard. So I'll cover them again. See if I can't throw, that's what I had to do over here, was throw on some extra soil. Do it again. It covered a lot of it, but I'm still going to have to come back in and throw some dirt on them manually so I can spray them properly. This ground is really, really hard right now. It is hard. Barely making a dent in some of it.